To open your Canva templates, you just click on the link in the PDF and it will take you to your Canva account. Make sure you already have a Canva account and you're signed in on your desktop. Click Use Template. Once you're in the templates, it will show all of the templates and it'll also be already loaded into your Canva, all your designs area. So down here in the folders under all your designs, it will show up in there. So if you don't want to make any changes over here in this main pack, what you can do is you will go to your home and then click on create a design and Instagram post or Facebook, whichever one you're doing, and then go over to all your designs. And you will click on the template pack that you purchased. You'll notice that there's 24 in there, so just go ahead and click on that. And then select the template that you want to go ahead and adjust, customize, or download. So I'm going to go ahead and do the one that's an animated GIF. So I'm going to put that in there, just clicked on it, and it showed up here. Now, if you want to leave this exactly as is, what you will do is just go ahead and title it up here, type in your file name for this, and then you're going to click download. And if you're going to be posting it to Instagram or Facebook, you're going to want to download it as an MP4 video. If you download it as a GIF on Instagram, it won't show up as a video, it'll just show up as a static image. So what you will do is just click download video for MP4 and you'll click download. And once you've clicked download, you'll save it and then you'll upload it to your Instagram or Facebook as a video. And if you want to do a static image, you'll just do a PNG and click download, and you can upload it as a static, not an animated meme. Now, there's no guarantee on what it's going to look like if you download it as a static image. You'll notice in the reference guide, those are all static images, and so you'll see what the animated GIF looks like, or the animated meme looks like if you download it as a static image. If you want to change out this GIF here, go to the More area and click on Giphy, and then you can put in any one that you want over here. So the way to do that is you're going to delete this one here because it's not a placeholder, it's not a content or an image placeholder. You won't be able to just drag and drop it over there. See, it comes over, it just like goes over there. You can't drag it into that spot. So find the one that you want. So let's type in, if you want another Moira Rose, just type in her name into the search bar. And let's see. We'll click on this one. And then we'll resize it down to the one that we want. So the way that I have it. And I went ahead, let's see. And then I'll delete this back one. There you go. So that is how you replace the GIF using the Giphies. If you want to use a static image and you don't want an animated GIF in there at all, you can go over to the photos and you can type in whatever you want, like I see, laughing. And then you can do the free version, so apply filters. So let's see. Let's go with this one. And so we'll go ahead and we'll delete this out of there and we'll resize this. You can leave it just like that. It's actually kind of cute, or you can just go ahead and make it smaller and resize this way. So it isn't, like I said, it's not an image placeholder, so you can't just drag and drop and it automatically fits into there. So if you're wanting to replace it with a picture or another GIF, that's how you resize it, and then just drag until you see that it's aligned correctly. Within the template pack, there are a few static image placeholders that you can use that do have the image placeholder, but if it's a GIF that's in there, you're going to have to drag and drop over there and then resize as needed. So if you're going to download this as a image, it's the same way that you do with any other Canva template. You just do download, PNG, and download. So, and again, if you wanted to do a GIF, you would do, drag it over there or click on it. It shows up there. Put put it in there, and then click download MP4 video and download, and then upload to your social media. And so that is the way that you publish or download a animated meme or GIF or change it to a static image.